If you've been seeing the phrase gelatin trick everywhere lately, you're not alone. This simple pre-meal routine has been trending heavily across short-form videos and wellness blogs, especially in discussions around mindful eating. The routine usually involves dissolving unflavored gelatin in hot, not boiling, water and consuming it shortly before a meal. Some variations include lemon juice for taste, but the core idea remains the same. People who talk about this method often highlight how it encourages them to pause before eating. That pause alone can help bring awareness to hunger signals, portion sizes, and overall eating habits. Rather than focusing on restriction, the gelatin trick is typically discussed as a way to support consistency and routine. That's one reason it has gained traction among people looking for simple habits instead of complicated systems. For those who want more background information about this viral gelatin method, I've left a link in the first comment with additional details and explanations.